In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your Google Sites. This can be a fantastic way to connect with your audience quickly and easily. Plus, having this feature available can significantly improve customer engagement on your site. So let's dive right in and learn how to do this step by step. First off, you're going to want to head over to Elfsight's website. It's a wonderful tool that offers various widgets for websites, and the WhatsApp chat button is one of their very best. Once you're there, direct yourself to the catalog page where you can browse a multitude of customizable widgets they have in store. Next, look for the option labeled Popup Best Seller. This is where you'll find the ideal template that will allow you to add a WhatsApp chat button seamlessly. After identifying the perfect template for your needs, go ahead and select it. Don't worry if you're not exactly sure which one to choose. These templates are crafted to be user-friendly and adaptable. Once you have a template selected, click on Continue with this template. This brings us into the customization phase. Here, you'll have the opportunity to tweak the template to better align with your brand's voice or visual aesthetics. Perhaps you'd like to change the color scheme or adjust the text. This is your chance to tailor it just the way you like. Having made the desired customizations, get ready to publish your widget. The publishing process is straightforward and Elfsight guides you through it effortlessly. For those on a budget, Elfsight does offer a free option, so be sure to select that if you're looking to minimize costs. Now that you've published your widget, it's time to grab the code. Simply click on Copy Code, and the necessary HTML script will be saved to your clipboard. This is the snippet you'll embed into your Google Sites. Head over to your Google site and prepare to embed your new widget. On your site, click on the Embed function. This will open an option for you to input your HTML code. You'll then want to paste the code you copied earlier directly into this field. It's a pretty simple process, and once done, click on Next. Finally, don't forget to click on Insert to finalize adding the WhatsApp button to your site. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning WhatsApp chat button integrated into your Google Sites. Remember, this button offers a direct line for visitors to get in touch, ask questions, and engage with your content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this. See you next time.